Hello and welcome back. My name is Antti Salli and I'm here today with my colleague Tuomas.
Hello, my name is Tuomas Rosén and I'm a product manager at Prodal for our room controllers.
It seems, Tuomas, that you have bring today a laptop with you and some cables.
Yes, on the table we have the TRC room controller and I have the USB tool for saving and uploading configurations to the device.
Okay, so is it something that you are showing us today? Some configuring with the laptop and the USB cable to the TRC?
Yes, exactly. We start by downloading the application from our website and then we will make small changes to the configuration inside the TRC. Then we will upload the configuration to another device.
Oh, sounds interesting.
Yeah.
So should we hit the road?
I'm already on our website here and I will search for the USB tool. It's called SWDCT USB. And when you find it in the search bar, you can go into the product page and where you can find some technical data and details, ordering codes and these kind of practical things. And also in this download tab, we have the EU documentation and we have also this configuration tool software that you need to download.
Perfect. So you need to have Windows PC for this?
Yes, exactly. Okay. So I have already downloaded it into my computer and have it up and running. So I will switch over to this software. Yeah. It looks like this when you boot it up. And you can see if you have a connection to your device when you have connected it to the port that you can see down here.
Yeah,
and the red cable should be to the left side.
Okay, so red cable need to be on left side and you have connected to your normal USB port. Yeah.
And it assigned a normal COM port in my system. And I press the connect button. And here we get some information about the device, what firmware and unique IDs and a little bit of the communication settings and stuff. And but now we will first, you maybe can do the honor of updating the configuration inside our TRC.
Oh, that sounds very challenging for me.
Yes.
Or is it? Let's see.
Yeah.
So what I need to do first?
To reach the configuration menu, you need to press the small bubble.
Yes.
And then you press this little sun bar at the bottom. Yeah, a sun icon. Then you press the code 6666.
Yes.
Let's go to the control settings.
Sounds interesting. Let's go there.
And here we can change the nominal set point, the middle point of the set point to 22 degrees, for example.
Okay, let's do that. I want that. 22.
Yeah.
Can you show me?
Yeah, you need to first press that on the screen.
Yeah.
And then you select 22 and press enter.
Now it's 22.
Yeah. Now we just made the small configuration change and you can go back with this little small icon in the corner.
Yeah.
And back again. And the device will reboot itself when you have made some updates.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. And now we're showing the main screen again.
Yeah.
Yeah, now we have a new fancy configuration. Now I go back to my USB tool software.
Yeah.
And I go to the file. And now I want to store the parameters first.
Oh, okay.
I press the save. Now the software reads all the data inside the device.
So all the things and settings what I have done here goes through the small cable to your computer.
Yes. And there we will be able to store it.
Very fancy.
Yeah. I will call this file TRC configuration.
Okay.
Now it's stored in my computer.
Okay, now it's stored on your computer and is it so that you can use the same configuration with another TRCs?
Exactly, so we can show an example. We can go into the configuration menu now on the same device and change the same parameter back to its standard setting to 21 degrees instead.
Okay. Sounds challenging for me, but I try.
I think you're doing very good.
Thank you. Now it's 21.
Yeah.
And I now go like this and it makes the saving. Perfect. Now it's 21.
Okay, let's play with what we have building floor with 40 devices that we need to have the same configuration inside.
Sounds big work for me to do like
specific if you have many parameters that you need to change. So then I can go back to my software, connect to the new device.
Yeah.
And instead of save, I choose the open.
Yeah.
And I take the same file that I have stored.
Yes.
Now the software is uploading the same configuration to the device.
Hey, it's already 22.
Really? That's so fast.
It's so fast.
Changes right away.
Oh.
And it's taking all the parameters in the table.
Yeah.
That's why it takes a little bit of time.
Sounds very practical.
Yeah.
And seems very practical.
Yeah. And we can go in behind in the menu and double check that it says reads 22 there also.
Yes, let's go and check. Ah, 22.
Yeah,
also
perfect.
here.
Now you're a system integrator.
Thank you. Very impressive. I would say, yeah, now I'm like ready to go on field and start to install some TRCs with my laptop.
Perfect.
Good.
Thank you for joining this episode and see you next time.
Yeah, thank you and see you.